Hi friend, this video I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification for WhatsApp account. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone, open WhatsApp. Then tap on the three dots more button top right corner, go to settings. Once you are in settings, scroll down slowly, open the account option. Here you can see various options. Located the two-step verification option, tap to open them. Right now my two-step verification is turned off. Simply tap on the toggle switch, then set a password. You can type password, but make sure you can at last type 8-digit code. After that you can also re-enter the password again in your phone. Once everything is good, you can see all of the green checkmark. This means your password successfully entered. Once everything is okay, finally tap on the save button bottom right corner and wait a few seconds to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully turned on two-step verification code on your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Take care.